In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a 12-month budget report in Xero. To begin, look at the top bar of your Xero dashboard and click on Reporting. This section contains all of the reports available in Xero and is where you'll find the tools needed to create and manage your budget. After clicking Reporting, select All Reports from the menu that appears. This opens the complete list of reports available in Xero. From this page, locate Budget Manager and click on it. Budget Manager is where you'll create and manage your budgets. Once you're inside Budget Manager, look for the drop-down menu labeled Select Budget. Click on the drop-down menu, then choose Create Budget. This opens the setup page where you can begin creating a brand new budget. The first thing you'll need to do is give your budget a name. Enter a name that clearly describes the budget, so it's easy to recognize later whenever you need to view or edit it. Choosing a descriptive name makes it much easier to identify the correct budget if you create more than one. Next, set the budget period to 12 months. Since you're creating a full year budget report, selecting a 12-month period ensures your budget covers the entire year. After that, choose the starting date for your budget. This determines when your budget period begins. Once you've selected the starting date, choose the Actuals Months option and enter the number of months of actual data you want to include. With those settings completed, you're ready to enter your budget figures. You'll see blue boxes where you can add your financial amounts. You can type each value directly into the boxes if you want to enter everything manually. If you'd rather speed up the process, click the green icon next to the blue boxes to use the Automatic Fill tool. This allows you to populate the figures using either a formula or a constant value, depending on how you want to fill in the budget. Continue entering or filling in all of the required figures until every section of your budget has been completed. Once you've finished, take a moment to review everything you've entered and make sure all of the information is correct. When you're satisfied with the budget, click Save. Xero will store your new budget, and your 12-month budget report will be ready to use. That's all there is to creating a 12-month budget report in Xero. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting!